Now let's talk about the types of pathogen. There are usually three types of pathogens: obligate pathogens, conditional, and opportunistic pathogens. Obligate pathogens are always associated with disease. For example, Treponema pallidum and HIV. Conditional pathogens, as the name suggests, that they may cause disease if certain conditions are met. For example, Bacteroides fragilis. It's a normal commensal of the gut, but if it invades the peritoneal cavity, it will cause severe infection. Third, the opportunistic pathogens. Again, you can remember it from the opportunity, as they usually cause infection when they find opportunity. Means when host defense are compromised. For example, Pneumocystis jirovecii usually cause lung infection only in the host who has severely compromised T cell immunity.